Welcome back everyone. In this lesson we will destroy our obstacles. As you remember, we have used instantiate, which means we have created lots of clones of our prefabs, and those clones are not going to go away if we do not destroy them. If we do not destroy them, we will just create a mess of our project. So let's go ahead and create destroy obstacles script, which will be attached to Deno. So click on Deno, add component, call it destroy obstacles, add it to our folder, and open it. So as you can see, our Deno is actually pretty close to the end of the background, meaning to the start of the background, and we can use that. We can say whenever our Deno passes these obstacles at least by, let's say, 5 position in the X, we can destroy them. So go to our script, and to write that, we can delete the start method. We need one variable. It will be private game object called obstacle. So our obstacle has to be updated every frame. That's why we do not have to use the start method, but use the update method, because update is called once per frame. So every frame we will say that obstacle is every game object that has obstacle tag. Obstacle equals game object dot find with tag, open the parentheses, open the quotation marks, and type obstacle, which is the tag. Now, if the position of our obstacle is less than our position of the dinosaur, we have to destroy that obstacle. But we still have to, for example, wait a few seconds before they get destroyed, because we still see them at the end of our screen. So let's say like this: if transform that position dot x, meaning the x position of our dinosaur is bigger than the x position of our obstacle, dot transform dot position dot x, and just add 5, just to make sure that we do not delete it too early. So if everything of this is true, we will just delete our obstacle. Just type destroy obstacle. So there we have it. Whenever our Deno passes these obstacles at least by 5, they will get destroyed. Let's go ahead and see how it looks like. Although we will have one error, but let me first show you how it works. So there it is, null reference exception. We get this error because we do not have any obstacles at the beginning of our game. So there is nothing actually to label as obstacle. That's why we will go to prefabs and just add, let's say, obstacle 1 right here, just to make sure that this error doesn't happen. So as you can see, this error actually describes itself. Object reference is not set to an instance of an object, meaning that we do not define it in the start function. We do not define what is the obstacle, and start method is for initialization, meaning for defining. But if we define obstacle in start, so if we say that obstacle is game object with this tag, then we will get an error too, because we do not have obstacle as soon as the game starts. That's why we added this obstacle, and we will also add start method. Under our variable, we can just type void start, and here we will say that our obstacle equals to game object dot find with tag obstacle. So there it is. This is all we needed to do to get rid of this error. So when the start method begins, it will have this obstacle to initialize, and then as it progresses, it will have more and more obstacles, and this one will eventually get destroyed, but let's see how it goes. Let's zoom out a bit, because I can see everything. So as you can see, our obstacles get destroyed, our background gets destroyed, and our project is as clean as it can be. And this is everything for this lesson. See you next time.